Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Seo joon and Yura fortune harmony analysis. Seo joon and Yura have applied for a fortune harmony analysis. A YouTube subscriber has applied. Their fortune was very rich and their energy flow was good. Let's analyze it together. Seo joon is a beautiful flower in his fortune. Beautiful flowers like to be gathered together, and they are adaptable. Yura is the sun in her fortune. The sun hates being tied to small things in the world, and there are many thoughts that she is special. Seo joon has a strong position with letters that mean popularity. Yura has two combinations of letters that show strong energy. Therefore, it fits well with action acting, and even if she does business, she can show good skills in the field that men usually do. Seo joon has a very stable flow of energy. Energy like himself strongly supports competitiveness. The input energy is coming in, and energy is flowing directly into the letters that mean art, which is energy output. Emotion inflow and outflow are very free, so psychological stability is good. And the words that mean wealth and women are very strong. They are in alliance with input energy. Input energy also applies to mother and documentation. It means that Seo joon's mother and spouse are on good terms. It also means that Seo joon's wealth is equivalent to land energy, and documents and wealth are combined. So there are many real estate assets. If there is no flow of energy and wealth is firmly established, it means that wealth was created like a gift one day. It's a good fortune structure that feels like receiving a gift every day. His spouse is very smart and he will meet a great person. Yura has a very good flow of energy from herself to art, wealth, and honor and man. It's a good structure seen by celebrities and businessmen. Yura has a strong spirit of fortune, so she can act in action and act as a fortune structure. But they are conflicting with the letters that mean man. This conflict is not a serious problem because it is a conflict for development. Yura is a person whose reputation is important in the results of all activities, because honor is a clear person as a result of activities. Even with good results, people's recognition and reputation are important. Seo joon's stable psychological work and Yura's good flow of energy are well harmonized. However, wealth is important for Seo joon and honor is important for Yura. It's slightly different, right? Their fortune balance score will be 86%. There is something in common that the results of the activities are important, but the content is very slightly different. So I cut the score a little bit. Please develop further and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.